In this video, you'll learn how to configure the Affiliate Landing Page add-on with Affiliate Press. Go to the Affiliate Press Add-ons page. This is the Affiliate Press Feature Add-ons page. Activate the Affiliate Landing Page add-on. Add-on is now activated. This add-on works for both pages and posts. You can set any post or page as a landing page. Go to the WordPress Pages from the menu. This is the WordPress Pages listing page. Here, a Shop Page affiliate landing page is created. This is the Shop page. On the right sidebar, you can see the Affiliate Press menu. Search for an affiliate user and select it. Then click the Save button. Go to the front side without an affiliate link. Open the created landing page. Here is the Shop page created as an affiliate landing page. Now, purchase the new product. Here is the WooCommerce checkout page. Enter the contact information, select the payment method, and place an order. After the purchase is made successfully, go to the admin side Commissions page. Check out the first new commission record, which is added using Sophie Park Affiliate User. Now, go to the front side Affiliate panel. Open the Commissions tab. See, this is the Affiliate Panel Commissions tab, where all the commission records are shown. Now, open the Affiliate Links tab. This is the Affiliate Links tab. Here you can see the affiliate link and affiliate landing page records.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.